Hello guys, welcome back. We will talk about the world fastest camera seen light in slow motion video guys. We will talk about the largest, world's best fastest camera, and I will talk about that, and I will tell you the fact and lots of things. Light is fastest thing in the universe, so trying to capture its motion is a big challenge, but what if I say you all that now you can do so? Yes, there is a technology capable of doing so. Scientists have created a probe that drops image capture to staggering 10 million frames per second, which means it can pick up the light as it advances, and they have plans to make this camera 100 times faster. Understanding how light moves is a fundamental exercise for many areas, not just to satisfy hollow curiosity, which to clear goals for humans development. They are well informed motivational and motivations, and they drive the efforts of Jiang Liang and his colleague. There are potential applications in physics, engineering, and medicine that rely heavily on the behavior of light on scales so small and so short that they are at the limit of what can be measured. Probably you know the term frames per second, FPS per second, and even more and more talk about cameras in smartphones. You may have heard of cameras capable of capturing millions and billions of fastest per second. In fact, there is a fight between some unities to see who does more and more seriously in this area. The some most powerful slow motion camera on smartphone belongs Sony with its 960 fps. This number may seem unrealistic when we have 120 20 fastest per second and available on good day to day devices. Of course, this number is hit to hit, and for this there is still something more fantastic presented by the hand of Caltech and movements, and it means guys, maybe billion and 100 billion frames per second. This camera is so powerful that it capture the fastest movement of the universe array of light. Now guys, for my YouTube channel, and I request you all, please, thank you so much, and please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you don't want to miss my videos from my YouTube channel, please press the bell icon with all notification. Thank you so much guys once again for watching this my video.